Do you want to learn to take your artwork to the next level? Meet Patrick O'Keefe. He's done it all in the entertainment industry. Games, film, TV, comics, commercials, you name it. Most recently, he was the art director on Spider-Man Into the Spider-Verse. And if you don't know his work on that one, you really should. Patrick specializes in sequence illustration, a way to encapsulate an entire scene into one dynamic painting. And in this brand new Learn Squared course, he's going to share his secrets with you. You'll cover subjects like quickly blocking out your scene.
I'll start by breaking up the space in a dynamic way, just thinking about the flow, the graphic design, the composition.
Generating a variety of thumbnails.
Let's treat this like it's a real job and put together a contact sheet, which we will then review with the art director, who is also me.
Dynamic lighting techniques.
Put a little hue saturation on my brush and I get a nice little variety, the type of variety you'd expect to see in a busy city.
All with the incredible speed and technique of an industry master. If you ever wanted to become an artist in the film industry, speed up your painting process, or just learn a few new tricks, you can't afford to miss this one. And because this course is designed from the ground up for all skill levels, there's really no excuse. Sign up today and begin your journey at learnsquared.com.